Hello everyone. Welcome to Reports and Data. Today we get short information about ultrasound gel market research report. The global ultrasound gel market size is expected to reach $126.2 million in 2030 and register a revenue CAGR of 3.4% over the forecast period, according to a latest report by Reports and Data. Rapid increase in the world population, implying increase in number of pregnancies throughout the world, and increasing adoption of ultrasound gels in ultrasound for pregnant women are expected to drive market revenue growth during the forecast period. Increasing demand for ultrasound gels to manufacture ultrasound scan of the developing fetus is expected to boost growth of the ultrasound gel market in the near future. Increasing demand for sterile, as well as non-sterile ultrasound gels in the medical sector has led to increased manufacture of ultrasound gels. Non-sterile ultrasound gel is widely used across all hospitals for performing ultrasound owing to its easy availability and low cost. Although non-sterile, the gel is non-invasive and not harmful, and can be used by all patients unless the region to be scanned has a cut or a wound. This is expected to drive revenue growth of the market in the near future. Increasing demand for non-sterile gels owing to abundant availability and high number of manufacturers is expected to drive market revenue growth. Moreover, increasing adoption of ultrasound gels owing to its property of conducting ultrasonic waves to produce clear images of inaccessible internal organs has led to increased demand for ultrasound gel and is expected to drive revenue growth of the market. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like and share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.